How to fix YouTube. This content is not available. Try again later error. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Before fixing anything else, you can try to open the video in incognito mode or private window and see if it works there. If not, then go ahead and make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services. And if yes, then disable the VPN and restart your browser or the YouTube app again and see if that helps, as YouTube blocks unstable VPN IPs. If not, then open YouTube and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on settings on the top right. Here tap on general and then tap on the restricted mode option and make sure restricted mode is disabled, and if not, then disable the restricted mode. Also, make sure that if you are logged into a child or supervised account, then not all videos will play in your YouTube. So make sure that you are signed in to a normal Google account and your date of birth is set correctly. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try switching between networks, as YouTube will not work smoothly if you are not connected to a proper working internet connection. So you can switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Next, open settings and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage and navigate to YouTube and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as offloading the app will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to sign out of YouTube and then close the app and restart the app again and then log back in, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app further and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube. This content is not available. Try again later error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.